Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Otys, a game where you lead a team of divers to recover valuable resources from sunken cities. Your main objective is to be the most efficient player, earning prestige points for your colony. To begin, each player takes a player board, 8 diver tiles, and 5 numbered key tokens. You also receive 3 credits and 1 battery token to start your underwater adventure. During your turn, you'll choose one of your available key tokens, numbered 1 through 5, and slide it to the right. This action first activates a sponsor tile on the main board, granting you a bonus. Next, the key pushes a diver tile, activating that diver's unique ability. These divers can gather resources, upgrade equipment, or perform other vital tasks. Once used, your key token moves to your hacker track, temporarily locking it. To maximize your prestige points, focus on completing contract cards. These require specific resource combinations and can be public or private, awarding between 1 and 5 points, plus occasional credits or batteries. You can also upgrade your divers, flipping their tiles to reveal enhanced abilities, making them more powerful. Don't forget your battery tokens. Spending 1 allows you to move a diver to a different depth, strategically positioning them for future actions. The game concludes when any player reaches or surpasses 18 prestige points on the score track. Once this happens, you'll finish the current round, ensuring every player has an equal number of turns. After the final scores are tallied, the player with the highest prestige point total is declared the winner. In the event of a tie, the player with the most remaining resources in their search zone will claim victory. Good luck exploring the depths.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.